Hello, today we're going to look at solving equations, so linear equations, and also solving linear inequalities. Now this should be revision, so hopefully it all seems familiar to you. So the equation first of all. Now our overall strategy here, I think the best strategy is to leave x's, say, on the left hand side and numbers on the right hand side. So x on the left hand side, so we've got to get rid of this plus 2. So do the opposite, subtract 2, and we've got to do it from both sides because it's an equation, so it's got to balance. So we get 5x, 2's cancel out, and we get 3x plus 8 subtract 2, that gives us plus 6. So we've got our x's this side. Over this side we wanted our numbers on their own, so we've got to get rid of this 3x. That's a plus 3x, so the opposite, subtract 3x. 5x subtract 3x on the left hand side gives us 2x. 3x subtract 3x cancels out and leaves us with the 6. So x is one side, left hand side, numbers on the right hand side. So 2 multiplied by what gives us 6, x equals 3. Now one thing you should always do whenever you get a solution to an equation is double check that it actually works. So 5 multiplied by 3, because we've got our solution is 3, 5 multiplied by 3, 15. Add the 2 gives us 17. So that's the left hand side. Right hand side, 3 multiplied by 3, that's 9. Add 8, 17. So 17 equals 17. Correct. So x equals 3 works. Now on to a linear inequality. And the only real difference is the sign. So an equation there's an equals, and in inequality there is a sign. There is another difference, but I'll let your teacher and maybe yourself investigate that. So x is this side, numbers this side. Let's get rid of the 3 first. So on the left hand side we get 7x, 3's cancel out, 3 subtract 3. And on the right hand side we get 3x, add 35 subtract 3, so that's 32. Now, we want numbers on the right hand side, so let's get rid of that 3x. Do the opposite. Subtract 3x, so 7x subtract 3x gives us 4x. 3x subtract 3x cancels out and leaves us with 32. Divide both sides by 4 and we get x is less than 8. So again, like an equation, we should check that it actually works. Back up in our original inequality. So a number less than 8. Or you could take 7, 6, 5, whatever you want. Generally, when you can use it, 0 is probably the easiest ones to substitute back in. So 0 is less than 8, so we're going to use that to check our inequality. So 7 multiplied by 0 is 0. Add the 3, gives us 3. And on the right hand side, 3 multiplied by 0, 0. Add the 35, 35. So is 35 greater than 3? Yes. So x less than 8 works. Goodbye and thanks for watching.